Like you.
No, they don't. Captain does.
I doubt it. I've met him before. He may not like you at all. Ugly. Goofy. And Ugly's friend. Don't stay. So you're going to fix the line.
Well, I'm gonna have to go get some bolts. I don't know how your day was playing.
My plan.
Or his day was playing.
For what?
Go get that.
Crosley?
Alright. Lay you down. Now.
Neighbor calls him Spot.
Who?
Neighbor.
Spot. What the crap?
Yeah.
Spot. Spot.
He's a genius just like you.
It was trying to wanted me to hold it.
Yeah.
Too big.
I think you can handle it.
Too big.
I hope he stops when he hits China.
I hope it does too. Because doesn't that mean well?
Huh?
Doesn't that have something to do with the water? Or electricity or something?
Water's over there. Hopefully he doesn't commit to digging into it.
Yeah, I hope not.
Me too.
I just skipped a full day of school for that. No complaints for skipping school, but it took a while. Put all that pipe back in.
Yeah. Tractor may be just a hair bit small.
If they had a few more planes.
Well, if we put you in the bucket as a counterbalance.
I'll just go get your brother and mix it.
You know I'll have to block that out on the video that's going on YouTube, right? Not supposed to stay stuff that
Okay.
then I won't block it out. I'll just put your face right next to think he'll stop when he gets to the foundation of the house?
No, they gonna keep going.
His mama's already been out here and told him, hey, what are you doing?
I'll just stop right there.
He blamed it all on me.
Of course he did. He said Dad told me to.
I was just scratching around that there stump there with the new backhoe attachment there that I was just trying it out. I was going to clean out around it and burn it some more. But he's committed to the idea, I think, that he's going to dig that thing out of there. He may need more diesel.
Yeah.
It ain't leaking very much.
You willing to fix that?
Yeah, I worked on that today. When I put the new, hooked the pins up and everything and drove it over here.
Also, flip the bracket
Flip what bracket?
on there.
on belt brackets. I think if you'd move over a couple of inches there and just, you could get that. Go over there and stick your finger in the hole and show him where to put it.
No, I'm good.
All right.
I think he's having more fun hitting me. Oh. Ah, there we go.
And the hole gets bigger.
He'll stop when his mom comes out and throws it in the floor. Maybe.
Well, I look at it this way. You're filling it back up, so.
Let's flip it back around this time.
Yeah, the shovel's over there. Remember, you ain't allowed to touch the tractor since you broke it.
You let me touch it since then.
No, you just jumped on it and touched it. Now that it's got, you know, a new attachment to it, I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. I've seen your work. I'm hoping that it makes.
Money?
We're gonna try it out for a few different ideas that I have for trunks on cars. What you'll have to do is lay down in there and look up and tell me how it's working.
When you see me climb out, it's working.
Oh.
So is that the two cars that your son traded that his Ranger for?
No.
Where are they at?
One's over there. That's the one that we bought the other day that runs and drives. We towed it in, put a battery in it, took a little bit of scrap metal out of it,